by my side. Cause I'm so sure that we are meant to be. I know the fun, my love for you not pure. My baby don't blush, for better for worse. I know the fun, my love for you not pure. My baby don't blush, let's stay for better for worse.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am trying out Sister Lock on my sister's hair. So I already started the first process, but this is pretty much how I started. I sectioned the hair in different parts. So as you can see, like this is the front. I sectioned it into 4 different parts, and then the middle part I sectioned it the same way, the 4 part. If you can see, here sectioned it 4 different parts, and then the last 2 sections. Give me a second. The last 2 sections I sectioned it into 3 different parts. So this is how it looks. She's getting a cold too. So I already started, and my first ones, see how they look. So I kind of leave them the way I section it up. And this is the second one, and I am on the second row, and this is what they look like so far. I want you guys to follow me. This is not like the super tiny one, but it's kind of like a medium size. So you can make it any smaller, but I don't want to make it any smaller because I feel like the smaller it gets, the easier it is to break. So that's why I'm making it this part. You guys can see. So I want her to be able to like style it however she wants, and maybe get like a comb roll or whatever done to her hair whenever she have this on. So what I usually do is, when I start, I part it, and then I get it like in a straight line, just like I'm doing like a comb roll. See how I did it? Then I'll section it into like different sections. So like this one, then I'll just pick it out. See? And then I'm gonna hold it to this. Then I'm gonna use another pin to hold this head so I don't grab it. So for a start, see how the hair, I want it to look natural. So I do like a little twist at the beginning of it, like just like at the tip, like if you can see, just like the little tip of her hair, right? That's where I'm doing the little twist, like I'm doing like a cynicalist twist or whatever you want to call it. So I do like a little twist. Then as you can see, it's gonna just fall off like this. It's gonna fall like that. And then I'll just start. So what I do is I just, from the middle, just go ahead and pull it to the end of this, like right here. And then I'll start turning around and grab from somewhere else. And then I'll do this. See that? But then mind you, you cannot grab from the same location or direction. Just keep moving it around from different location or different direction to the other, and then that's what you're gonna continue doing this. Just, it's kind of a repetitive step. Keep doing it until you get to the end of it. Then sometimes when you keep doing it, try to like push it up a little bit to make sure it's strong at the end, so that you're not like leaving a lot of space in the middle. Just do that, and then you continue what you're doing. one, but I prefer this. So I just put it in like I'm about to crochet the hair in. Pretty much what I was doing with my hand, but now I'm doing it with the crochet needle. See, it's locked it in. So grab it in from here, pull it out, and then with the crochet, make sure you push it over here. See how I push it to make sure it's locked? And then you grab another one, and then keep grabbing it out. Just like that. So now I tighten it up, and I don't like to tighten it up too much too, because she's tender-headed and it's tight, but it's not like super like tight so that her head don't break out, and also it's not like too painful. So nice. Twist the little ends, see, like this little piece, like the dead ends pretty much of the hair. Twist it. So it could look natural. I like the twist better than just tying it up and leaving it looking raggedy. And start again.